Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple RISC-V program that performs a subtraction and print the result. We'll see how the code works step by step and how RISC-V uses registers and system calls to perform basic operations. Before we dive into the code, let's quickly understand a few concepts. RISC-V programs rely highly on registers, which are small storage locations inside the processor. X0 is always 0. Registers like X1, X2 and X3 hold temporary values. A0 and A7 are special registers used for system calls such as printing or exiting the program. We also use instructions like add-I, which means add immediate, and sub, which subtracts one register from another. Finally, there's an equal. This tells the processor to perform this system call. If A7 is 1, RISC-V prints an integer. If A7 is 10, the program exits. Now let's look at the program. We start by loading the value 10 into the register X1. Next we load the value 4 in the register X2. So now X1 holds value 10 and X2 holds the value 4. Here's the processor subtract X2 from X1. So we calculate 10 minus 4 and the result, which is 6, is stored in X3. Now we move that result into the register A0. In RISC-V, A0 is automatically used to pass the value we want to print. We set A7 to 0. This tells the system that we want to perform the print integer system call. Equal, this executes the system call. So the value inside A0, which is 6, gets printed to the console. Finally, we set A7 to 10, which means exit the program. In equal, this ends the program. When the program runs, the output shown on the console is simply 6. So let's execute the program. Yeah, we got the output 6, which is shown on the console. And that's it. This is a small example shown how RISC-V performs arithmetic moves data between registers and uses system call to interact with console. Thanks for watching.